So I do believe I am actually up and live on the web, and from what I can tell, my mic is live. I should be good to go now. Mic is live, and I see it streaming live. So welcome, 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 good people. Let's see if I can get this shared across to the multiple pages that I need to get it shared across to, and then I will jump directly over into this. So Happy New Year, and Happy New Year. I am truly off the rip excited right now with the start to this new year, and I hope you are as well. So there is one business page that it is shared to. Let's see if I can get it shared to the next business page while you guys begin to trickle in. I hope that you have downloaded your form, your worksheet, your homework for tonight, the here slash say sheet. Tongue tie there. So if you don't know where to grab that sheet from, have a look up in the comments and you will see where to grab that sheet from. So glad to have all of you populating in, joining in. Again, you are available to share this live. There is absolutely no pitch. Welcome, welcome, and welcome to the new year along with me. I'm so excited. You guys just don't understand. So, what's going on, Miss Sheila? What's going on, Miss Lanita? So good to see you guys. I have one more area to share this to, and then we should be good to go. So let me get it shared over in my private group so I can ensure that it gets listed correctly inside of my events page. In that group, we are having a guaranteed goals event on 1/20/20 at 1/20. So if you want to know more about this, you can go ahead and get registered now at register.entrepreneuru.com. That's register.entrepreneur newer Neweryu. We're looking at a newer you in 2020. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. That's my little twist on how this thing rolls here in 2020. We're looking to have a newer us. So I just want to say again, welcome to the new year. Welcome to this opportunity to be here with me. I hope my sound and everything is good to go tonight. I want to jump right into this. I have a lot to pack into less than 20 minutes, and so I want to make sure that I get it all done. So, again, you're here to witness with me and hear from me how to guarantee your goals for 2020. I'm just saying, without a plan, you plan to fail. If you don't believe this, trust and believe. It is so very true. It's like I see people living on a deferred life plan where they're putting off their goals that literally could be easily accomplished in a focused period of time. It could be that simple for them if they would take time to end procrastination and perfectionism. Yes, perfectionism. Have a hard time saying it forever. If you are able to transform the way you set goals and eliminate all of your excuses, it will guarantee your goal. We're going to discuss how to get that done, how to define, how to describe, how to develop, and how to duplicate and guarantee your goals for 2020, right? I am reading a book and it is a quick book. It is an easy to use system for how to get where you want to go in life, right? Guaranteed goals consist of 3 to 4 specific areas. We want to be authentic in everything that we're doing. We want to be accountable and what we are doing, and then we want to make sure that we're moving with action. So if you can understand those 3 areas, that will help you kind of get a mindset for where I'm trying to take you guys and have you understand literally you can guarantee what you want. We're spending 20 days going over 20 ways or more, and we're going to do it in increments of 20 minutes or less. So who am I and why should you listen to me? My name is Martina Britt Yelverton. I am a brand master with my own LLC. I'm a cash flow queen and a youth lifestyle training founder. I am a revenue strategist, and I am an excited ambassador with the Nightdale Chamber of Commerce. I'm also an online review tool educator, and I am literally getting certified in the Google platform. I am a mother of 4. I am a mentor, I am a mentee, and I am a friend. Believe it or not, I am you. and we together are going to figure this journey out together. A lot of us get caught up in the bells and whistles and shiny objects, and we end up buying into a lot of tools that guarantee us an outcome. But believe it or not, they really don't hold our hand through the process and help us step by step by step. And because we don't have ourselves implemented in it, we don't have a plan in it, we don't have an understanding of what it is that we're trying to do, what ends up happening is we fail. A New Year's resolution is something that goes in one year and out the other. Did you hear that? That goes in one year and out the other, right? It usually includes goals we didn't accomplish last year, and then we pile on additional new goals that we want to do for this year. And believe it or not, bad excuses is why we don't achieve the goals. So I want to ask you guys, when a problem approaches you, how do you deal with it? Do you deal with it mentally, where you mull it over repeatedly in your head? Do you deal with it verbally, where you ask a lot of questions like, why did this happen? How did this happen? What did I do wrong? What could I have done right? Do you physically react to it, meaning you internalize that? You may not eat, you may not sleep. You're reacting to it or you're responding to it. How do you approach problems? And jot that down, because we're going to deal with that a little bit later. But I need for you to perform in writing what your immediate response is. And I'm going to talk to you again about that later. We can't solve problems by using the same kind of thinking we used when we created the problem. And a lot of people don't understand the severity of that. If you are the mindset that created the problem, your current mindset will not solve the problem. There has to be a mind shift. You have to make a change. You have to grow your brain. You have to figure out what you're going to do, learn, and activate differently to find your way out of the problem. Okay? That's one of the things we've never been told, we've never been taught, and because that, we're repeatedly doing the same thing, ending with year after year after year of failed goals. And we'll talk a lot about failure when we move down into the actual activation process. Right now, I have you guys writing your wants, right? We're going to focus on that. We're going to focus on your wants. So you may be asking, what exactly is a guaranteed goal? Let me get you to understand this. A guaranteed goal in this process that we're going through is a start. I want you guys to understand you can literally think your way out of a situation and into a solution. You can use your brain to do that. And we're going to talk a lot about how. This isn't going to be an overnight process. It isn't going to take all day either, but you may or may not get exactly what you want in the time frame that you want it. But believe it or not, you literally can guarantee the goal if you start with your thinking. Okay? Again, see if you can wrap your mind around this. Perfectionism is the overcommitment of time and energy, whereas procrastination is the undercommitment of time and energy, right? So if you can think about that in the mindset of this whole, if you can look up, you can get up from Mr. Les Brown, then you'll understand how if you are failing at something, if you've had a failure in an area, and honestly, a failure just means you haven't attempted it enough time to make it a success. Failure really doesn't actually exist. Every failure is a learning lesson for how you did it wrong. Think about that. Every failure is actually a learning lesson for how you did it wrong. So I suggest you fail fast and you fail forward. Okay? What we're talking about this week is defining exactly what it is that you want. And I mean in great detail. Let me explain to you an old process that many of you know, and you guys comment and let me know if you are clear on this, if it makes sense to you, or if you've done this before. When you set a goal, you choose what you want to accomplish, and perhaps you write it down. Yes or yes. Most of you are going to say yes. Secondarily, you break that goal down into actionable items or into a to-do list so that you can start checking it off. Yes or yes. Finally, once you have it checked off of the to-do list, you check it as complete, and then you celebrate if you achieve the goal. Is that right? Is that correct? Is that what you understand about the goal setting process? Is that what you're used to doing? My question for you is, how's that working out for you? Exactly, a to-do list, right? You check it off, and once you check it off, you celebrate because you have the list. That's generally how a goal setting process is done. I'm going to challenge that thinking. I'm going to challenge you. And let me explain why I'm going to challenge you. And some of the people who work with me pretty closely will tell you this next statement that I'm about to make is so very true. Karusha will tell you. Lanita will tell you. I believe that if you love something, you should push it. And if it comes back to you, you should push it again. You should push it because think about it. You want it, or you understand it, or you see it, or you know that it can be better and stronger and greater than what it is right now. And I push people to excel and to exceed to their greater self, right? So I'm going to challenge you to receive this that I'm about to explain to you. The guaranteed process that we're going to go through, just giving you a little bit of prerequisite, is first, we're going to write down what we want. Okay? What I need for you to understand is that first day, I had you writing down what you wanted on that list. And a lot of you, I believe someone said that I put up the second list yesterday and I put up the third list today, and you may not understand or see there's a slight difference in each of those lists. And here's where that difference is. I asked you to write down what you want. The second day, I asked for you to write down what you see as you're writing down what you want. Tonight, I'm going to ask you to write down what you hear or what you say to yourself as you write down what you want. And let me pull up another screen to show you really briefly here what that list may be looking like, okay? I have mine here on a PDF fillable just to help you guys out here. Let me see if I can get it on the right screen. Okay, so in every list, every space of this does not have to be completed. I'm just showing you a quick demo of mine. All right, and this is the sample form from the first night. See right here, it says what you want. Define what you want in great detail. So for mine under personally, notice all the lines are not filled. Personally, I want a free mind, unprogrammed and open to learn new things. I want a peaceful atmosphere, a warm home, a vibrant health, and lots of delicious food. That's what I want. Professionally, I want a thriving and lucrative business for my generational legacy. I want my customer to be, open-minded and able to afford all of the valuable assets that I have to offer. I want, like-minded, and let me fix that. I want like-minded partners, and I want to be able to help people who want my value. Passionately, I want to be able to love again and enjoy a like-minded company of a man that understands my vigor for my happiness, the livelihood of my kids, and my serious commitment to my business and my legacy. That's just me writing down what I want. Paternally, I want to live long enough to enjoy in my right mind, be mobile without failing health, happy, open-minded, loving, and vibrant children and grandchildren. I want to enjoy the ability to have great grandchildren so that I can pour into multiple generations. Can you guys see that I'm very detailed? You can even imagine what that looks like, and you can feel my feelings as I talk about what it is that I want. That's just the want. Day 2 asked you to be detailed when you write down what you want with regards to what you see. And then tonight's worksheet, if you look above in the comments, it asks you to download the one that says what you hear and what you say. So professionally, we talked about what you see on night 2. Tonight, we're talking about what you hear when you write it down and what you say to yourself when you write it down, because there is a dialogue and a conversation that is going on. It's there if you pay attention. You are saying things to yourself as you write down, I'm not going to be able to afford this. I really can't have this, but I'm just writing it down because the list says to write it down. I don't have any goals set right now passionately, or I don't have any goals that I want to accomplish right now paternally. Like, what are those things that you're saying? And I need for you to write it down for a reason. We will get to why. Okay. So again, to stay within my time and to keep you on the mindset of getting ready to jot those things down, again, if you'd like to connect with me, you can definitely follow me on YouTube, follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. You can actually follow me now on Instagram. My daughter jump started the Instagram movement here for the business, and she will be handling all of the business posts, all of the personal and profile posts for 5 platforms. We figured out how she can do the design for it, how she can get the information to put in there, and how she can make it be automated on 5 different platforms. I'm really excited. She's excited about her new job as well, because remember, when you understand the financial component, you can pay your kids to work inside of your business, and that is literally a wealth strategy that you can implement. You'll have everybody in your family, child-wise, working for you too. Okay? So I'd love to chat with you more about that and any other questions that you may have. You can Google my phone number, 919-295-0822, and reach out to me there. I received that via my mobile device. You can email me at martinabrityelverton.com, email at martinabrityelverton.com, but you can also book a 15 or a 30-minute free appointment with me so that I can go a little bit more in depth. So I'm excited about the homework that I've given you for tonight, and I'm hoping that you can quickly go in and catch up if you are a little bit behind the mark. Again, my name is Martina Britt Yelverton. I'm excited to help you understand how to guarantee your goals for 2020. I wish each and every one of you a happy new year. I'm excited for you, and I'm excited to see you again tomorrow night, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here. To your success, enjoy your evening. God bless you and good night.